The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Premier Pro for Straight Talk, guys. So this is a fairly new phone for Straight Talk. It recently got released not too long ago. So it recently showed up on Straight Talk's website. So here's the phone right here. It's the L413DL. That's the model number of this phone right here. It's a nice looking phone. It's basically a rebranded LG K30. But this is a bit watered down than the regular LG K30. So yeah. So that's the front right there. As you guys can see right there, you guys have the front-facing camera, earpiece, and the screen there, and your buttons right there. So yeah, nice looking phone. Not too bad of a phone. This is a budget phone, guys. So don't expect a whole lot. On the right side of the phone, you guys got the volume button there. On the back of the phone, you guys got the camera flash, power button, track phone logo, and your speaker there. That's not a fingerprint sensor. It's just a regular power button. Oh yeah, and your volume button's on the left side. I'm guessing that's the left side. I think maybe. I think that's the right side, and if so, that's where your micro SD card and SIM card goes on the right side. I don't think the battery is removable on this phone. I don't think so. So the LG Premier Pro has 4G LTE, of course, has Wi-Fi, has a 5.3-inch HD display at 720p, 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, and I think a 5 megapixel front-facing camera there. Usage time, talk time up to 14 hours, storage 16 gigabytes of ROM. Dimensions there is 5.85 inches on the height, 2.96 inches on the width, and 0.34 inches on the depth. So yeah. So it says here, to the value seekers and great deal getters, you are on the market for a smartphone that accomplishes the essentials. Nothing too extra, yet one that looks and feels great. But you also love to make and share memories, so you need a camera that sharp and quick because life moves fast. LG's got you covered. Meet the LG Premier Pro LTE, guys. Alright. And the basically has to tell you guys in the next step, just pick up line and all that good stuff and whatnot. It's everything that's required. And if you guys need help with your phone, text L413DL to 611-611 for more tutorials. The LG Premier Pro on Straight Talk is $109. So keep it in mind that's not. It's a cheap phone. So yeah, phone does look the phone does look alright and all that good stuff. So like I said, guys, there's your dimensions right there. 5.85 inches on the height, 2.96 inches on the width, and 0.34 inches on the depth. The phone weighs 5.93 ounces. The battery is embedded. It's 2880 milliamps. 14 hours of talk time. Standby time up to 16 days. It's CDMA, so it uses Verizon towers. And it has your hearing aid compatibilities there. What you get in the box size is nothing special. You guys get the phone, of course, the included charger, battery, which is embedded in the phone, activation card, service guide, and quick start guide there. And then it tells you again that a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Text L413DL to 611-611 for more tutorials and all that good stuff. So the LG Premier Pro has Android 7.1 Nougat. I think it's 7.1.2. It does have a micro SD card slot. It's 2 gigabytes of RAM there. It has a 5.3-inch HD display. See clearly on the large screen that presents your life in bright color and eye-opening detail. And it has an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera for autofocus, capture moments exactly as they happen with instant focus and zero shutter lag, then share them with everyone. And like I said, it has a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. And right here, and you guys will see it right here, it has a 2880 milliamp non-removable battery. Don't let anything keep you from accomplishing your day. This phone has power that lasts. So yeah, there it is, guys. The LG Premier Pro. It's available now for $109 from Straight Talk. It's basically a rebranded LG K30 but new fingerprint sensor. You know, this phone will work on Verizon towers. It's not a bad little phone. I mean, if you guys are looking for a backup phone, a trap phone, a first phone for your kid or your parents or whatever, your first smartphone for your parents or whatever, this is the phone to take a look at. It's not a bad little phone. It's not the greatest phone in the world, but it's not the worst phone in the world either. It has pretty decent specs on it. It is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. I do like the UI on this phone. It looks very nice. So there it is, guys. LG Premier Pro from Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.